It's your boy Jermaine and welcome back to JT Automotive and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a new style of video. You know, we're starting the video off inside of the car. I've got one camera mounted to the windscreen and another GoPro to my window on the right here. That one so you guys can see what's ahead of me and the dashboard and all of that kind of stuff. But this video is going to be like a little first drive video for you guys. I feel like I've done a few videos on the car now and you guys don't know what the car sounds like. You don't know what it drives like under load and everything. So that's what we're here to do today. I'm going to take you guys around some B roads. Obviously we're going to be on some public roads, so we've got to keep it relatively safe. But I really want you guys to hear what the exhaust sounds like because it is literally ridiculous. Like, it's crazy loud. It took me a few days to get used to the exhaust, and I feel like every time I used to jump out of the car I was shaking, like my legs were trembling because it was just like the explosions were so crazy, and it just took me a while to get used to it. The second day I drove the car, I was pulling up at a traffic light, and as I downshifted, obviously the car like did its thing, it banged, it popped a little bit, and there was like a Turkish kebab shop next to me, and all of the kebab owners like came outside looking like, oh my god, was there a gunshot? And there's me like trying to like seep into my chair because I didn't want people to like look at me and think like, what the hell is this guy doing? Did he just fire a shot or something? Like, it is literally that loud. So the way the exhaust works is, the way the map works is, it doesn't like bang all the time. Like, I know you can have like some overrun pop and bang maps. Sorry, we've got a little straight here, so I'm gonna, you know, gun it. I'm just going to pause the video right here for a moment because whilst editing the video I realised that I kept getting distracted by the quiet country roads and I was having way too much fun. So instead I'm just going to shut the hell up and put together a bunch of clips of my drive and let the wonderful sounds of the naturally aspirated V8 coupled with the stage 2 remap from SA Tuning and exhaust decats do all of the talking. Because let's be honest, that's the main reason you're all here. Coming. Whoa, that one was crazy. That one was mad. Oh, we got a tunnel. Oh, that sounded like an AK-47. Let's go. Oh, yes, let's have it. Oh my god. Oh my god! You guys don't, oh my god! It sounds so sexy! Listen, it literally sounds like gunfire. Like, I need to find a tunnel and let it bang so you guys can hear how crazy it sounds like in an enclosed space. This thing is ridiculous. I can't get over it whatsoever. Like, it does like a load of bangs, like over like 5k and stuff. Then between 5 and 4k is quiet. At 4k, big explosion. Like gunshots for them pagan yaks. That's what we like. Nah, Simon did a wicked job with this tune, seriously. Guys, I'm in Hertfordshire right now. Hertfordshire is full of old people. So all the people who are currently walking their dogs and stuff right now. That's beautiful. Jesus Christ. second gear pulls are the one. Listen, if you're wondering what that fret stuff is basically there's a lot of excess fuel still in the system. So once it bangs, it has to get rid of that excess fuel. I'm gonna see if Simon can kind of fine tune that, because that is a little bit annoying. But here's some more second gear pulls. Ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. All right guys, so right now I'm just gonna take a little chill pill, you know, calm down, slow it down a little bit, because I keep losing what I need to say to you people. But I really hope that the camera translates the sound of the exhaust. The tone is amazing, the sound of the bangs are amazing, the way it pops. If the pops aren't too, like, I know you get some maps that just, you know, pop all the time, bang 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 all the time. This one, like, you have to be in a high RPM range before it starts like popping and doing like a lot of like crazy stuff. But this one's really, I wouldn't say it's chill because it sounds crazy, but it's not as mad as I've heard. Like, you know, there's some overruns that just continuously go, but this one, it's really, it's tame, like it's controllable. You can control when it goes. Like, you don't always need to be driving above 4,000 RPM, which is fine. If I'm driving around town, I'm not going to hear this thing popping and banging like at 2.5K, 3K, which is like absolutely unnecessary. Pulling up to a traffic light and it's popping, it sounds wicked the way it is. Even the tone of it, like I'm literally cruising right now under 2K, and the tone of it is wicked. Like, I thought it sounded great before. Like, unfortunately I couldn't make a video like this previously to show you guys what it sounded like stock versus with the decats and with this map now. But I think the tone of it sounds great. I mean, yeah, what else have I learned about this map and the exhaust? Like, power gain wise, I'll be honest, I hadn't really like driven the car hard for me to like notice any sort of like power gains before. I mean, to me, the map drives fine, it works fine with the car. I have no issues with it. I don't think it's like annoying to drive with, or it's made the car feel like lurchy or anything like that. SA Tuner did a really good job with it. Like, I'm really happy with the way the tunes come out. But yeah, like power wise, I'm sure it has added like maybe you know 10-20 horsepower or so. Again, it's a naturally aspirated engine, so it's very hard to get extra power out of this. The decats would have added that definitely, but I've not really like pushed the car hard for me to figure out like, is it faster than before. I didn't have the time for me to get bored of the power of the car beforehand, so I am sure it is more powerful, but I can't be certain. We definitely are going to dyno the car. Simon's going to dyno it for me at some point, so I'll definitely film a video on that when it happens. Again, I don't know if we'll be able to do a stock run versus a, you know, with this map instead, but I'm going to put up that window just so you guys can hear me better. But yeah, as you can hear with the window up, I'm sure you guys can hear me a lot better. It doesn't sound as crazy. The other things I've noticed with the map is, I'm not saying this car used to get great fuel consumption in the first place. Like, before I had it mapped, I'm pretty sure I was getting maybe between like 14 and 15 mpg. Right now, if I'm being honest, I'm getting about 11.3 mpg. That's what it says here on the dash. And I'm sure if I was to drive it like a madman, I would get even worse. People say they get about like 200 miles, 220 miles out of this tank. Mate, I've not even gotten close to that. I'm talking like I'm getting like 150, 175. So without the map, this car's an alcoholic. With this map, it's probably 10 times worse. But you know, all is fair in the game of, you know, tuning, what do people say, because race car in it. So like, that's what we're going for. All right, so guys, we're back on the motorway right now. We're approaching Hatfield Tunnel. So you know what that means. Windows down, drop a few gears. That scares the life out of me. Oh my God, windows back up. That scares the life out of me. I can't imagine what it is like for the people who are not expecting that kind of noise. Jesus Christ. Oh my days, that was immense. That was ridiculous. Listen, this car just puts a smile on my face time and time again. Like I said, this is the most fun I've had in this car since I've owned it. Everybody behind me must be thinking what kind of gunshot just went off or what kind of explosion just went off in the tunnel. That was mad. I really hope the camera picks it up well because this car is just ridiculous. Oh my days. Wow, 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 wow. Literally my heart's beating really fast. Them things sound nuts. One day, like I need somebody to follow me behind and just like catch the flames coming out. Because in the daytime, I don't know if the GoPro is going to pick it up that well, but you can't really, you can't really like see it that well in the daytime. But I've seen pictures or a video of my car at night and it is stupid. I'll see if I put it in the video. It has no sound, but I'll see if I put it in the video just so you guys see how raw it is. Wow. Wowee. But guys, I think I'm gonna head back home now. Like I said, this is the most fun I've had in this car since I bought it. It's been clear roads, it's a Saturday morning, there's no traffic or anything. So I've been able to enjoy the car. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video as well. If you had, please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you guys are updated with any other content that I post. If you like the video or want to drop a comment, let me know any other video ideas you have, anything else you'd like me to make. Please post that down in the comment section below. I've had so much fun. I hope you guys have too. Peace, man.